Now let us start.
Okay.
We actually want to see how we can run simple PWTK scripts to run SCF and SCF calculations, and also we want to show how we can generate the uh, input files either in PWTK format or in usual format for quantum espresso. First of all, I would like to show you the input file generated just in the format which is recognizable by the PWTK script. The major difference is that whenever we see the usual input file for quantum espresso, the name lists are started with the and sign, ampersand sign, and cards, and name lists end with this forward slash. But
Yes.
in case of cards, there is simply name of card and then the value of card. There is no start and end of the cards. On the other hand, if we see the same input file in PWTK format, in that case, we do not use and sign. Instead, whenever we want to write a name list, we will display the name of name list, and then we actually write all the variables for the input file which are appropriate for any sort of calculations within curly braces.
Okay.
Same is true
So,
for name list as well as cards. All the cards and name list are always written in this format. Whenever
okay, brother. So,
file is written in this format, it is said to be written in PWTK format. But this,
okay.
on the other hand, this is usual quantum espresso file.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So, brother, my question here is, I have are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. My question here is that means you can write this silicon PWTK file by hand. That is, you can type it, and also you can copy a silicon input file for Quantum Espresso and just do small addition to change it into a PWTK script file. Can
Yes,
we
yes,
do that?
possible. Yes, yes, we can
Okay, no
always.
problem.
Usually we do in this way because uh, typing is difficult for
Yes.
large number of variables. We usually have some input file for the given compound as we have generated from uh, some online facility, that is from the materials project website, and we can modify according to our needs. So
Okay.
next, for the use of next thing to write some script which
Okay.
will be used to do the calculation according to our needs. For example,
Okay.
here is a script. Whenever we want to use the script to do some sort of calculations, we have uh, to generate either input file in PWTK format or we may have input file in usual quantum espresso input file format. In both of cases,
Okay.
it is okay for the uh, in both of cases it is okay for the PWTK script. For example, if now I want to specify that if we have input file in terms of PWTK, then in PWTK script we have to use this command, that is import command. Import, the syntax of import command is that import and then write the name of the file you want to import. This command will be used whenever our input files are in the form of PWTK uh,
Okay.
uh, form scripts. So how can we recognize that something is in PWTK format or not? This this is whenever we want to write the input files in term in PWTK format, then the file should be saved with an extension of PWTK.
Okay, brother, please, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Please give me 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds. Let me just close my windows because of rain have started now.
Okay, okay, okay. You
Just
can.
1 minute, please. Let
Okay.
me close my windows. Okay, I'm back.
Okay. It's okay. Now, now,
Yes,
what we were.
we were talking about silicon script, the script
Yes.
to import
But
PWTK file.
I am telling you that if you
Yes.
have input file in the in the form of Silicon scripts, sorry, TCL scripts or PWTK scripts, then its extension must be dot PWTK, and import command will be used. But
Okay.
whenever we
So
want to use,
another question.
yeah, ask the question.
So, okay. Now it means I can design a script file and import an input file in a normal quantum espresso format, even without necessarily passing through the stage of
When when
PWTK.
when we have normal uh, input file for quantum espresso, then in the script it will be imported with the command load underscore from PWI. When it is in the PWTK format, then we will use this import command. This is the difference.
Load from. Okay.
Whenever we use load from,
Okay.
then this would be normal quantum espresso input file. When we use
Okay.
import, this there would be PWTK format of the input file. This is the difference
Okay.
between these two.
Okay.
Okay.
So another question, please, brother.
Yeah.
Should I ask?
Yes, yes.
Um, uh, most of my confusion used to start from this line. like line 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, my question is, can I come and write this import in line 7 or line 8? Or this load from in line 3?
You can write anywhere else this import or load underscore from PW file, but it must be before these changes and it must
Okay.
be before this run command.
Okay, mashallah, because it's really confuses me actually, because I usually think that I must follow this line from line 1 to 4. It means I can never write it from line 1, and I can write the information in line 2, in line 3.
These comments are written for explanation. These
Okay,
comments,
okay,
we do
okay,
not need these comments like this.
okay. Because okay, that means you can even start from like this line 2, load from.
Line 1, line 2, line 3, but it should be written
I
before
understand you.
such changes.
Okay, I understand you. Yes, I
Whenever
understand you.
the
It should
PWTK,
be before control name list.
whenever you want to do some sort of uh, changing in the input file, that input file should be loaded before and they should be loaded before this. Should be loaded before those changes. That's all.
Okay.
Is it okay now?
Okay. Your voice is breaking. I think it's from network.
Maybe. No, no, it is
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Yes, it's okay now, your voice.
Okay. Now, uh, these are the changes which we have made last day in
Okay.
order to do the SCF calculation. Because
Yes, then I think we have to remove the N.
yes, if we want to do the SCF calculation, then this file is okay for SCF calculation. So we do not need any change in this file. But whenever we want to
Still is
do,
breaking your voice.
but whenever we want to use it may be due to network from your side
Yes, it's network
because
actually, yes, from my side, because it's heavily raining.
okay.
Yes, it's
You
really
should
raining.
understand that
I'm
whether
hearing someone's voice.
yeah you should keep in mind that whenever you want to made some sort of changing in the input file, then you should write those changes in the PWTK script in this form. Otherwise, you
Okay.
do not need it. Because whenever we
Okay.
want to run PWSCF, simple SCF calculation, we will comment these lines out. Because in the presence of these lines, the calculation will be done and an SCF calculation. Let me explain you how this script will be working. Let me explain, then this will make
Okay.
you very clear. Whenever
Okay.
the PWTK code will read this statement, it actually load the file from load all the variable as we have mentioned here in the in its memory. Okay, and then the control will come to this line after on on
Bai
on
shigowa.
on coming this
Ya kamata haka ake ruwa. Ma zo ƙara confirming.
it will recognize that user wants to make some changes in the control name list. And this control name, for example, here we have told the PWTK script that the calculation should be NSCF instead of SCF. Then
Okay.
the code will, then the program will go to next line. Here it will say that the name of second name list, which is called system name list, and after seeking after going this, it will go to this line and this line and this line, and it will make the changes that it will use the dgos value, this it will use the occupation fixed, and it will use the number of bands, set the number of bands up to 50. After this,
Okay.
it will go to the next line, and it will again reading this card. The code will recognize that now we should use the k mesh of 12 cross 12 cross 12 with shifted k mesh. This
Okay.
one tells the code to shift the k mesh. After doing such changes in the input file, because script loaded the input file from this, and this file is this. In this file, calculation is type SCF, but we told the code to change it to NSCF. Again, here is no dgos, here is no d and n band, so the code will change and write the value of dgas occupation and then this. And after that, it will keep all the cards, remaining cards same, and after reaching on the k point automatic, it will also change this k point 4 by 4 by 4 to 12 by 12 by 12, because we told the script to made such changes. Then what will do? Then it will generate uh, the new input file, and this new input file will also be created and saved uh, in the folder where we are going to run the script. Here is the file. Let me show you. The calculation has changed to NSCF. Also, dgauss is introduced. Also, the occupation.
Please, brother, are you are you listening?
Yes, listening. I'm listening.
Are you okay? So because I've just lost, I just came back now. The internet was I lost you. I just come back now.
Okay, it's okay. I don't think now it's going to. Perhaps it's going. It is recording. Okay. Then I am telling that uh, now the code loaded this file, and then according to these statement, the PWTK script made some changes in this file, and then uh, it prepare the input file for NSCF calculations. Here the change calculation is NSCF. Here dgauss is also introduced, number of bands also introduced, occupation is also introduced. And at the same time, the k point mesh is also changed to 12 by 12 by 12 and 1 by 1 1 1 1. This is shifted k mesh. Uh, because original file has k mesh 4 by 4 by 4, but as we instructed the code to put to change the k point mesh by to 12 cross 12 cross 12, so it is now uh, it is now changed to this. So this was done by the code, and after that, the code will generate this file. After generating this file, this comes to this command, run command, and this run command will take this input file and automatic generate some command and run the PWSCF NSCF calculation for this. Now, if you have some
Okay.
question in your mind, you can ask me. Are you listening me? Are you hearing me, Rudin?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. So
Yes, I'm hearing you. I just want to.
what we should do now?
So actually, now run it. Let me see.
I should run it.
Yes.
Okay. Now you should go to the folder where this script and necessary input files are present. Then let me delete these files because we want to see that how these files would be generated. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now we go here and we write the PWTK, and then the name of our script file is script1.pwtk, and now we are going to run this, and this right here the executables, and then this command is running pw.x minus in and pw, and this is the output file. This is all going to
Okay.
run. Now it is running. Perhaps it will take 1 or 2 minutes to complete the calculation. Now the job has done, and let me show that these files we have deleted, but this file is created by the code, and this is output file is also created by the code, and here is the highest occupied level and lowest unoccupied level.
Okay.
Now you can ask some questions.
Okay. I think my question, or maybe let me put it.
Yes,
Maybe I will need another example, for like example two, so that I will be more clear. At least now I've really understand to start to I've start to understand the logic of the things now. Maybe now if you can use aluminium arsenide, a very light material, to do the same calculation, I think it will be more clear to me if we do that one.
you can do that for any sort of compound, for any sort of for any DFT calculation. You can try yourself. Should I do that?
Yes, please do it, so I will do it. Do it, please, so that I
Uh,
will be more clear.
Aluminium arsenide is not there. But is there some problem in running for aluminum
No,
arsenide?
actually, brother, no, no problem.
So what do you want
I
to?
I've started to really understand how the yes, I've understand this one. Maybe it's just for benefit of doubt. Let me say benefit of doubt maybe. But we can go for
Okay,
another calculation. No problem.
I think this video will be uh, uh, in clear format, and you should
Yes.
see watch the video, and then you can ask
Okay.
the question what you want. And if now you want
Okay.
the,
So now I have to change to my own pseudo potential.
no, you can change you should put the potential according to your need, according to
Yes.
your
And
systems.
and directory, okay?
Yes, according to your system's directory.
I will do that.
Okay.
Okay. Because I want if
Uh, I want to say my Isha prayer. After
no
20
problem.
minutes, you should we will leave this meeting. You should practice for 20 minutes. If you have some problem, then let me know. After 20 minutes, we will have meeting again, and we will try to understand something which you want to ask.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Let me try it.
Should I
I'll
send
wait for you for 20 minutes.
video this time?
Yes, send it, please.
Okay.